right, along with the video for the lesson, I just wanted to provide you some further examples, just going along the worksheet in case you need some more examples. So we are oh, hold on one second, my dogs. All right, we're back. So just to provide you some more examples, first things, I just want to start off with multiplying two binomials. That way we see where our two first term and our last term of our trinomials come from, and then how the how the middle term gets formed. So I'm just going to pick two binomials. So let's do x plus 2 and then x plus 4. So the first two, or the first term of my trinomial comes from x times x, because that gives me x squared. The last term of my trinomial comes, oops, not from there. Go back. I wonder, nope, back. Comes from me multiplying the last two terms of my binomials together. So we get 2 times 4 plus 8, or 2 times 4 is 8. However, the middle term of my trinomial comes from my outer and inner. So it comes from x times 4, which is 4x. And then it comes from 2 times x, which is 2x. So when I am looking for my two binomials, I'm looking for, well, what two numbers, when I multiply them together, I get the last two terms. But what two numbers, when I add them together, so 4x plus 2x is 6x, when I add them together, gives me my middle term. So coming over here, I'm looking for what two numbers multiply together to give me the c, but then add together to give me the 3k, that middle term. So 3. Oops. Add together to give me b, which is 3. So multiply together to give me 2, but add together to give me 3. So just thinking of factors of 2, well, really, it's just 2 times 1. And when you add together to give me, together, they give me 3. So that means that the two last terms of my binomials must have been 2 and 1. So my binomials were k plus 2 times k plus 1. And we can check our work by re-multiplying out together. So first, k squared, outer 1k, inner 2k, and then last plus 2. So we get k squared plus 3k is equal, or plus 2, and that's equal to the trinomial we started with. Let's try this again with number 2. In my hand, where my hand was, getting all of this markings. So again, I need two numbers that when I multiply them together, they become c, which is negative 10, but add together to be b, which is negative 9. So just thinking of factors of negative 10, well, I have negative 5 times 2. Adding those together, we get negative 3, so that's not going to work. What about negative 10 times 1? When I add them together, I get negative 9. So that means the two last terms of my binomials were negative 10 and 1. So we get b minus 10, and then b plus 1. And again, checking my work, first we get b squared. Outer, we get 1b. Inner, we get negative 10b. And last, we get negative 10. b minus 10b would be negative 9b. So we get b squared minus 9b minus 10. So that worked. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. Please watch the video for the lesson as well.